Well, as you can see, I'm in the garage again, and I'm sure you guys are just as sick of seeing the inside of my garage as I am. Don't worry, the snow is on the ground. It's starting to get really cool. As far as I've heard, there is some ice forming around certain areas of Manitoba. Not here yet, but it's going to be here really soon. As you can tell by the title, it's a very happy day for me. I hit 500 subscribers. I was not expecting that at all. I was just rearranging some of my ice stuff here, watching some ice fishing videos, getting ready for the season. Took a look at my iPad here, and 500. So I just wanted to shoot a little video and say thank you to all my subscribers. Thanks for watching all my content. It may not be the best stuff, but I mean, I try. I'm still new at this. Who knows? As you can see, I do a lot of DIYs. Pretty avid fisherman. I try to get out as much as I can, but unfortunately, because I sold the boat in fall and there's no ice yet, I haven't been able to do a lot of videos yet. So stay tuned. It is coming. Once that ice hits, we're going to be doing tons of ice fishing videos, a lot of overnight videos, so I can kind of show you my setup on how I do overnights. Me and Callie did 14 weekends on the ice last year. 14 weekends, overnights. Like, that's a crazy amount of times. And hopefully this year we can do a little bit more, and hopefully we're going to travel a little bit more throughout Manitoba, hit a little bit new water sources, and there's a couple new things I want to get off my bucket list as well. I want to head north. I want to catch some Lakers. Sturgeon I won't be able to until, well, maybe, who knows, until summer. But anyway, there's a whole bunch of stuff that I have on the docket for this winter, so stay tuned. I'm going to get a lot of those videos out. Now, with the 500 subscribers, I always planned on doing a little hat, decal, sticker giveaway, but I didn't want to advertise it because I didn't want people to subscribe because they knew they were going to get something. The person that is the 500 subscriber, I'm actually kind of humbled the fact that he wanted to subscribe to my channel, but he is a local legend named Daniel Stagg. So if you haven't heard of him, which you must not be from around here then, or an angler in general, because everyone knows Daniel, but go check out his Instagram, Stag on the Line, as well as his YouTube channel, Stag on the Line. This guy catches absolute monsters, and his videos are really good. So go check him out. And the reason why I say local legend is because a couple weeks ago we had the Winnipeg Ice Fishing Show, and he was crowned the fastest filleter in Manitoba. He actually, on his second fish, he actually stopped to get a different knife and still won. So I think his first fish was like 36 seconds or something like that to fill it. Just absolutely crazy. So anyway, Daniels, I'm trying to pump your tires here as much as I can. I definitely got to admit, I was a little bit in awe watching you fill out those fish at the show. That was just unbelievable that you didn't cut a finger off. But like I said, go check him out and everything else. Daniel, I'll get in touch with you soon to get some info off you, and then we'll go from there. But thanks everyone for all the subscriptions. Thanks to all the subscribers. Whatever it is, like I said, I'm not a big YouTuber guy. So thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll get a whole bunch of new content out for you. Hopefully you guys like it. If you do, like and subscribe. Like I said, I'll try getting as much content out as I can. Thanks for watching, guys. Until we see you on the ice, keep it real.